Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a modern professional resume in Word. So creating a modern professional resume in Microsoft Word is easier than most people think. You just need clean layout, strong wording, and consistent formatting. Step 1, you need to open a template, which is the fastest way. You have to open Microsoft Word, tap on New, and then search for resume. You can also choose a modern, clean design, minimal color, lots of white space, and then all you have to do is to simply browse here. So there are tons of templates that you can choose from. All you have to do is select one. There is this modern. So all you have to do is to take a quick look. And once you have selected that resume that you want to use, you just have to tap on that. And then on that resume or on that template, you will see the button, which is create. Okay, or there is this create button right here. All you have to do is to tap on that. So let's just say I'm going to use this one. This is what it looks like. Modern nursing resume, but you can just edit this. Let's just say if you are a teacher. Okay, so what you're going to do with this modern resume, and thanks to Microsoft Word for the template, you just have to change everything here. First, of course, your name at the top. So add your header. This should stand out. This includes your full name, which is bigger font, as you can see. You can also include here your phone number, professional email, city, country. If you have LinkedIn or any portfolio, you can also add it right here. Also, as you can see, there is this contact information. So basically, you have to add your contact information here. And then below is, of course, a short professional summary. So, as much as possible, just 2 to 4 lines. That means who you are plus experience plus key strength. Example, results driven customer service professional with 4 years of experience handling concerns or whatsoever. If you're a teacher, then of course, description should be related to that. Okay, so that is for the header. And then write a short professional summary below. Also, here you need to add work experience so you can do the list from latest to oldest for each job. You have to include the job title, company and location, month and year, then bullet points of achievement. So this is what it looks like below right here. So with the picture, all you have to do is to upload the picture. You have to make sure that your photo is already on your device. Okay, so change everything here. What you're going to do is just replace the information out from that template. I have changed here the name, the summary, my picture, the image, the contact number, and so on. So just change your experience. Also here below, you can change the skills, the education, and there are some optional sections right here. Only if helpful, like you can change the certifications, languages, volunteer work, and projects. So reference, you can add a reference. Now, if you don't like this template, don't worry. You can go back to Word and then look for new again. Then browse here another template. You can also search for a specific one. Let's just say if it's modern resume or just modern template, then Microsoft Word will show you these templates. And all you have to do is to select one. Let's just say this one right here. This is a modern type. Okay. So click this or tap on create, change everything here. If you want to add your picture, just click and then upload. Okay, change from this device, upload your picture. Then feel free to resize it if you want. Again, change your name or change the name, the information below, experiences, and so on. So I'm going to edit this one. Again, you have to make it look modern and clean. So you can use professional fonts like Arial, Cambria. You can use font size 10, 12. Keep margins normal. Use bullet points as much as possible. And if possible, keep it one page or two if very experienced. And of course, as much as possible, you can to save this as PDF. So this is what it looks like me as an English teacher and looking for a job. So again, you have to use strong action words like manage, created, improve, increase, led, delivered. As much as possible, avoid too many colors, long paragraphs, personal information like age or religion, spelling mistakes. You have to avoid that one. Photos unless required. So these are the ways, and this is the tutorial on how to make a modern professional resume in Word. Just very easy. Just open your Word, look for new, and then select a specific template. Now save as PDF as much as possible so that it would be easier for you to upload this to any website. So here it is. You can see PDF, tap on save. Once save, and then it will just pop up automatically. And as a result, this is what it looks like for the professional modern resume using Word. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.